Good morning, children. Today I will explain the basic concept of addition through a simple event. Children, suppose your mother has given you 6 wet almonds to you for eating in the morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, your father has also given you 6 roasted almonds to you for eating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now children, see how many almonds are there in all. Means how many almonds you have got in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, children, you have got 12 almonds in all. Children, you also remember in all. In all. This word also signifies addition. Thank you.